Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. When were credit card first used in the United States? In A. 1915, B. 1940, C. 1935, and D. 1920. The correct answer is 1920. Credit cards were first used in United States in 1920, when businesses like department stores and oil companies began issuing them to customers. With the Daniel Club card was introduced in 1950, and the Bank of America launched the Bank America card in 1958. Question number 2. Which of the following vitamin is transformed from a golden rice? Option A. Vitamin C, B. Vitamin B6, C. Vitamin E, and D. Vitamin A. The correct answer is Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a golden rice, comes from beta-carotene, a plant pigment that converted into vitamin A in human body. A cup of golden rice per day could provide about half of the recommended daily allowance of the vitamin A. Question number 3. Which element is essential for human life and make up most of the earth crust? Option A. Oxygen, B. Silicon, D. Carbon, and D. Iron. The correct answer is oxygen. Oxygen is the most abundant element in the earth crust, constituting around 46% of its mass and is vital for respiration in living organisms. Question number 4. What animal is the symbol of China? Option A. Lion, B. Panda, C. Leo, and D. Elephant. The correct answer is panda. The Gang panda is the national animal of China. It is a symbol of peace, friendship, harmony, and biodiversity. The panda black and white coat matches the cultural belief of China, especially a Tianji yin and yang. Question number 5. Jude Felix is a famous Indian player in which of the field? A. Volleyball, B. Tennis, C. Hockey, and D. Football. The correct answer is hockey. Jude Felix is a famous Indian field hockey player that coach. He was born on January 26, 1965 in Bangalore, India. He received the Arjuna Award in 1995 and also the Dronachari Award in 2020. Question number 6. How many time zones are there in the world? Option A. 24, B. 21, C. 15, and D. 12. The correct answer is 24. Question number 7. Kanchan, Krishna, and the Banarsi are the name of which of the given varieties? A. Amla, B. Guava, C. Pineapple, and D. Lemon. The correct answer is Amla. Question number 8. Data that is copied from an application is stored in A. Hard disk, B. Clipboard, C. RAM, and D. CD. The correct answer is clipboard. Data that is copied from an application is stored in clipboard. It is place where the information from a computer file is stored for a short time until it is added to another file. Question number 9. Which planet is the bodyguard of the Earth that's safe from many comets and asteroids? Option A. Mars, B. Saturn, C. Jupiter, and D. Uranus. The correct answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is the planet that protects Earth from the comets, asteroids, and is sometimes called the planetary bodyguard or vacuum cleaner of the solar system. Jupiter gravity deflects comets and asteroids away from Earth. Question number 10. Which of the given is responsible for yellow fever? A. Housefly, B. Mosquito, C. Water, and D. Bacteria. The correct answer is mosquito. Question number 11. In which year Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country? A. 1946, B. 1947, C. 1948, and D. 1950. The correct answer is 1948. Sri Lanka achieved its independence from British Empire on 4th February 1948 and becoming a dominion of Ceylon. It was known as a British Ceylon. Dominion status under British Commonwealth was for 20 years. Later it turned into Republic of Sri Lanka on 22 May 1972. Question number 12. The name of which of the following hill station of Tamil Nadu means the gift of forest? Option A. Ooty, B. Kodaikanal, C. Melagiri, and D. Kuranganu. The correct answer is Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal is a Tamil word where the Kodai translates to gift and the canal means forest. Question number 13. To the United States, the state of Alaska share maritime border with Canada and A. Mexico, B. Iceland, C. Russia, and D. Greenland. The correct answer is Russia. Question number 14. Which of the following rulers' original name was Balu? A. Sikandar Lodi, B. Behlol Lodi, C. Ibrahim Lodi, and D. None of above. The correct answer is Behlol Lodi. The ruler whose original name was Ballu is a Behlol Lodi. He was the founder of the Lodi dynasty in Delhi and is often referred to as a Behlol Khan Lodi. Question number 50. Which vegetable actually a fruit botanically? A. Potato, B. Tomato, C. Lettuce, and D. Carrot. The correct answer is tomato. Question number 16. Which bird eye is bigger than their brain? A. Ostrich, B. Owl, C. Falcon, and D. Eagle. The correct answer is ostrich. An ostrich eye is significantly larger than its brain. In fact, it has the larger eye of any land animal on earth, making its eye bigger than its brain. Each ostrich eye can measure around 5 cm across. Question number 17. Dadabhai Naroji was editor of which of the following newspaper? Option A. Som Prakash, B. Maharashtra, C. Sambat Kaumudi, and D. Rashtragoftar. The correct answer is Rashtragoftar. Rashtragoftar was an Anglo-Gujarati newspaper that was started in 1854 by Dadabhai Naroji and the Kharshaji Di Kama. It was based in Bombay and promoted social reform among Parsis in Western India. Question number 18. The term dolphin kick is associated with which sports? A. Football, B. Rugby, C. Cricket, and D. Swimming. The correct answer is swimming. Dolphin kick is associated with swimming. In dolphin kick, the motion that propel the swimmer forward underwater after he dives in and at the turns. Question number 19. Where is the spice garden in India? Option A, Andhra Pradesh, B, Maharashtra, C, Kerala, and D, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Kerala. The spice garden of India is Kerala. The state is known for its wide variety of species, including black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, and turmeric. Question number 20. Where is the largest open pit mine located? A, China, B, USA, C, Iran, and D, Cuba. The correct answer is USA. The Bingham Canyon mine in Utah in USA is the world's largest open pit mine. It is also the deepest open pit mine in the world, with a depth of over 1.2 kilometers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.